begin by finding a comfortable position. This might be seated or lying down. Wherever you are, allow your body to settle. Start to notice your natural breath. There's no need to change it. Just be aware of each inhalation and each exhalation. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave. It flows in and it flows out. As you breathe, let go of the day's events, thoughts, and distractions. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Visualize a warmth there, like a gentle sunlight. This warmth brings relaxation. Feel it start to spread. Let this warmth slowly move down to your forehead. As it does, the muscles there relax. Now down to your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow them all to soften. Now let that warmth move down to your neck. Feel any tension melting away. Continue to guide this warmth downward, moving over your shoulders, your chest, your back, and down to your arms. Notice as each area it touches becomes more relaxed. Now, guide this warmth to your abdomen, letting your belly rise and fall with each breath. Continue downward to your hips, your thighs, your knees, and all the way down to your toes. Your entire body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, is now relaxed, enveloped in this calming warmth. In this state of relaxation, imagine any stress or tension as a color or a cloud. With every exhale, imagine this color or cloud being gently blown away. With every inhale, imagine drawing in clear, fresh energy. As you continue to breathe, let go of any remaining tightness or stress. Feel it being replaced with a sense of peace and tranquility. You are here in the present moment. There's no need to think about the past or the future. Just be here, now, with each breath. Gradually, start to deepen your breath. Bring some movement back into your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of calm and peace with you. Remember, you can always return to this space of relaxation whenever you need it.